Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In the previous lesson, we learned the various possessive articles in Akkusativ. In this video, we will be learning about a new verb, möchten, which is a modal verb. Let's begin. Lektion 28. Möchten. Let's first go through our objectives for this lesson. We'll be doing the modal verb möchten and its position in a sentence, followed by its usage and conjugations. In the end, we'll be doing a small exercise. Let's look at the two sentences. Ich möchte Ärztin werden. Peter möchte in England studieren. As you can see, these sentences have two verbs each. Möchten and werden in the first sentence and möchten and studieren in the second. This verb, möchten, is a modal verb. It stands in the second position and is conjugated. The modal verb replaces the other verb. This other verb, or the Hauptverb, stands at the end of the sentence and is not conjugated. So you have to remember, whenever you use möchten in a sentence, it comes in the second position and the other verb goes to the end of the sentence. Here is an example of how we can bring parts of a sentence in a sentence. Bestellen möchten Tobi eine Pizza. Tobi is the subject and then we have two verbs, bestellen und möchten. Since möchten is a modal verb, it will be in the second position and conjugated. The second verb will go at the end and in the infinitive form. So the sentence will be Tobi möchte eine Pizza bestellen. Let's see what happens in the case of a question. Let's take a W-Frage first. Was möchtest du essen? Here again, möchtest is in the second position and the other verb is at the end of the sentence. Here is a Ja-Nein-Frage. Möchtest du ins Kino gehen? In the case of a Ja-Nein-Frage, the modal verb möchtest will be in the first position and the other verb is at the end of the sentence. This happens only in the case of a Ja-Nein-Frage. Let's take another sentence. Ich möchte eine Cola. In this case, you can see that there is no word at the end of the sentence. This is because just the use of möchten with Cola gives you the meaning of the sentence. Hence, möchten becomes the main verb in the sentence. Let's now learn in what context we use the verb möchten. Anwendung. The most common use of möchten is when you are expressing a wish. Let's look at this sentence. Ich möchte Schauspieler werden. The second common use of möchten is when you're ordering something. Etwas bestellen. Ich möchte eine Pizza bestellen. Or you can say, ich möchte eine Pizza. Similarly, you use möchten when you want to buy something. For example, ich möchte Äpfel kaufen. Now let's see how is this verb conjugated. Do repeat after me. Ich möchte. Du möchtest, Sie möchten, sie es möchte. In this case, you have to remember that the conjugation for Modalverben for ich and sie es is the same. Wir möchten, ihr möchtet, Sie möchten, Sie möchten. Now let's do a small exercise. Übung. You have to conjugate the verb möchten and fill in the blank. Let's look at the first one. And the correct answer is Wir möchten in die USA fliegen. Now try doing the second sentence. And the answer is möchte einen Hamburger. Here's another one. And the correct answer is möchtet ihr mitkommen? The next sentence is and your answer should be ich möchte Pilot werden. And the last one, which is a Ja-Nein-Frage. And your answer should be möchten Sie etwas bestellen? Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get free worksheets by joining our Patreon page. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!